Alright, so I'm running a little parking garage test here with the Byte versus DJI, and I'm using the Lollipop 3 Fox ear antennas for the circular polarized antennas. Standard stock antennas on the DJI goggles, not using any patch antennas on those. And the two drones are going to have the baby crocodile with the Byte and a flywheel atomic antenna, and then I got my Airblade Transformer Mini with the Vista system, also with a flywheel atomic antenna. So it should be a pretty comparable test. I'll be running both at 500 milliwatts. Alright, so I'm going to try and fly the exact same path on both systems, both at 500 milliwatts. At the end of the parking garage here. So I have a direct line of sight here. Still a little bit of breakup. Let's go to the other side. So quite a bit more breakup here. Going back. And let's go up. So, typical analog style breakup. Oh, it's pretty bad over here with all that concrete in the way. Oh, okay, that's pretty much unflyable. Bring it on back. Alright, so now flying the DJI system. I'm going to try and follow the same path that I did before. Perfect picture, no breakups at all. 50 megabits. All the way down here, I'll turn around. Go over to the other side, this other corner. Still 50 megabits. No loss in picture at all. Now down to like 46 megabits. All right, let's bring back a little bit here and let's go up to the second level. And this is where the Byte system really didn't do so well with all the concrete and metal in the way. You know, it's still getting 50 megabits. Well, 45 megabits here. Yeah, here it was unflyable with Byte. I couldn't see anything. Totally fine on DJI.